video's main target is young women and mothers aged 25 to 40 who may see themselves as either social or crafty. The video is especially relevant as they prepare their home for company over Easter. As a secondary target, the video would also be suitable for those who are retired, who have spare time to do things like crafting. This short video attracts the audience with simple but modern font and branding and shows easy to follow visual steps with words on the screen versus more verbal instructions recorded by audio. The content is relevant for the time of year and quickly reveals that only a few items are needed, making it easy to make. To complement this, we created a short titled DIY Spring Wreath. This video would be perfect social content for a craft store, DIY or lifestyle platform like Chatelaine, or even for a mommy blogger. By sharing on these types of platforms, where followers usually have an existing relationship with the site, not much explanation is needed in the title. Participation in crafting and DIY has remained strong, in part due to awareness and engagement by social platforms like Pinterest, and also from the help of online marketplaces like Etsy. With this, the video should expect great success and can be used on certain platforms with some repetition, for other holidays, like Mother's Day, for example.